Joe here again. I'm going to show you how to use the four-wheel drive in a Jeep, or really any four-wheel drive vehicle. So one of the main reasons why you want to, I guess you can hold that for me. One of the main reasons why you want to use 4-low is for going down hills. That's the most important thing you'll need 4-low for, because there's some hills around here that you'll go down. If you ride the brakes, your brakes can get sort of crystallized and hard. The brakes will go out and you can end up off a mountain or a cliff. And in fact, it happens quite a bit on Mauna Kea, unfortunately. So for the gears we normally have 2 high. That's what you do 99% of the time. In order to shift it into 4 high, so these are higher gears, that means you go faster with less torque. You can do this while you're going kind of slow, but it's normally recommended just to stop or put it in neutral. For 4-low, you need to put it in neutral first, and this guy goes all the way down. And sometimes you got to go forward a little bit and backward to really kind of lock it in. And once you do that, all your gear ratios are going to be low, so you can start crawling down a hill, in first gear. But to put this thing in first gear, so you're not shifting up and letting the transmission do its own shifting, you move this over to the left. Now it's sort of like almost like a stick shift, where you control the gears, and you can see over to the left is down, over to the right is up, and you can also see in the dash here where we've got first gear there, second gear, that sort of thing. So if you're going down a steep grade, let the transmission do the work for you. If you see the engine or RPMs going up to 4,000 or 5,000, that's okay. I'd much rather the engine give out on you than the brakes. Your safety is the most important thing here. If you see the RPMs going up to redlining 6 or 7, obviously use your brakes a little bit and maybe get in the second gear. But for the most part, just important to know that you want this in 4-low, first gear, going down hills. Do not ride the brakes. The brakes will fry and you can injure yourself and other people. Thanks.